Yo, what's good, Mr. Alien X? Nah, anyways, my boys, let's get into the shits. You already know what we're about to watch. You already know my boy Dashiexp Wheezing for 2 minutes straight, part 4. Where's part 1 through 3, Mystical Alien? Don't worry about that. Let's get into the shits. This is gonna be I'm gonna legitimately laugh at this, so I'm not doing a try not to laugh. Let's get into the shits. Hold up, is this all the way up? Oh, I didn't. Oh yeah, it's all the way up. The volume's all the way up. Let's watch it.
Wait!
I see this video.
Yo!
I remember that one.
Yo! Shit!
Oh, I saw that. I've seen a bunch of these already. I don't know why I keep saying that.
What was that? I'm sorry!
I'm not lazy, don't be a hater. I could do it now, but I'd rather do it later. I guess you can call me somewhat a procrastinator. And if something don't add up, just pull out the calculator later.
Oh man, here we go again.